Welcome to AP Workshops. Welcome to the first instalment of Submit Your Bike. So this is Submit Your Bike. What we've asked you to do is submit us a 2-minute film to tell us about your bike, the modifications you've done, where it came from, any interesting stories that you've got with it. Show us around your bike, show us what you've done with it, show us how you're going and where you're going with it. So we've got a few films from all around the world. Thank you very, very much to you guys. I really, really appreciate it. If you want to submit your bike, if you want to submit your bike film to us, then you can email us at sales@apworkshops.co.uk. So let's jump right in. This is Submit Your Bike.
Well, hey Griff, this is Renee from Holland. Well, this is my 10th video to make because 2 minutes is much too short to tell you all about my motorcycles and the modifications I've done. First of all, my compliments to you guys over there. It's really every time wonderful to see this information you share with us. So this RSV 2006 I bought brand new. Modification I did was the mirror extension, a complete Acropovis exhaust and the RSV4 rear brakes to solve the problem with the air. Well, this Tuono I just have a few months because my old Tuono was damaged by a friend of mine during a ride together. It was completely broken, so I bought this one second hand, of course. These are the pieces left of my old Tuono Generation 1. So, well, this is my private workspace underneath my house, and this is where I do all the things with my motorcycles. Over here I have my metal workshop. Well, over here my Cape Nord, on which I'm going to ride next week. The plan was to go to Sweden with her, but we changed it because of the COVID-19, and we go to Poland next week. Modifications I did on this one was building my own luggage system, rack or whatever how you call it, on the rear and on the front. And over there's a piece of a Pegaso 650 left, and upstairs I also have a Pegaso completely, on which I ride for fun someday. Well, of course, all Aprilias. Well, it's too short, 2 minutes, but I hope this is okay. Bye.
Hi, my name's Terry, and this is my 2013 Tuono V4R. I bought it from C&A Superbikes in Kings Lynn, and I use it for commuting to work. It's about 45 miles each way every day, but only in the dry. More of that later. Best things about this bike are the power. You will never ever complain of being short of power if you own one of these, and with the right tyres on, the handling's fantastic as well. Worst thing about them, this is a standard V4R, not the APRC. It doesn't have any traction control, so in the wet you have got to be so careful. It will throw you off and then spit on your body if you give it too much. Probably a really, really stupid thing to buy if what you want to do is commute to work on it, which is exactly what I did. But for having fun and hooning around, there is nothing like it. I wish I could tell you the bike was really reliable, but it isn't. I think Aprilia's have got a bit of a reputation, and it's well deserved, for being slightly sketchy. Sometimes it will wake up in the morning and it just won't want to play, and you'll get engine warning lights. You have to keep cycling on and off, clearing the codes and everything, and eventually she'll get the message and she'll work. And I'm on my second gearbox. The first one seemed to be made of chocolate. I didn't have a quick shifter and I wasn't abusing it, but it gave up and all the dogs got rounded off, and I've had to put a new gearbox in, which is pretty expensive. But if you can put up with that, it's an incredible bike.
And so pretty that I hardly can believe I'm real. La 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 la.
If I want any work doing on the bike, I get it done at AP Workshops, because they know more about Aprilias than anybody else, and they'll do the work quicker. And they've got an open workshop, so you can stand there and watch exactly what they're doing, so you can learn from it. And I find that really, really good. So to Griff and to Angelo and to Amber and to Snox, thanks for the great service whilst I've owned the bike, and I'll be back with you next time it breaks down.
Hello guys at AP Workshop, I'm Adrian, I'm 25 and this is my Tuono. So basically I traded in my Duke 790 for this. Some might say it's a loss, but it's brand new basically. It's been in storage until 2018. It has only about 6,000 miles. So 9,000 kilometers, and yeah, couldn't be happier. It's just pristine, everything is shiny and beautiful, brand new basically. So yeah, can't wait to fix the size 10. I know I get you guys change it, it's horrible, but I mean, I really love it. I went for a fast spin this morning, which I only had it for 2 weeks, and it's just mind-blowing how this thing works and how beautiful this machine is. It vibrates, so it's not a perfect machine, but it reminds me of my older SV650, and I love that. So because the 790 Duke, it was just a smooth ride, but I don't really appreciate that. I want to feel it. Yeah, I love it. Can't wait to get those resets though. Thanks for everything you do to keep this thing alive on your web with all the things you sell for it and all the support you guys and help you give to this community. So thank you very much. I really, again, I appreciate your work. Keep going.
So that's it. Thanks very much to all you guys that actually did submit your bike. Absolutely wonderful. We love it. Thanks very much. So if you want to submit your bike, you need to send us a 2-minute film filmed in landscape. You can email it to us at sales@apworkshops.co.uk. Tell us about your bike, tell us where it's come from, tell us what you're doing with it, the modifications that you've made for it, where you're at, what you're doing, all of that kind of stuff. We absolutely love it. Thanks very much. If you want to get in touch with us, you can get in touch with us again at the email sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can give us a call at the office, no problems. You can get in touch with us via Instagram. You can leave us a post on the Facebook page, no problems. We're happy to help wherever you come. Emailing is is the easiest way. We answer emails first thing in the morning, every morning, no questions. Thanks very much for joining us. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Take care. Talk to you soon.